and turn the page to 187. We're going to restate some of our rules that we had. The basic three that we need to worry about, and you'll see this more as a look than probably the words in the rules. But here's how we'll write this. What we know is that when we get done with this, we can have no perfect square factors other than one in the radicand. Okay, so what that means is, looking right here, if we started with 75, square root of 75, we can't have that because there's a perfect square you can pull out of that, and that perfect square is 25. 25 times 5 is 25. So because of that, we have to split it up as best we can. So that's why this was split into the square root of 25 and the square root of 3. This becomes 5. This is just going to be the square root of 3. So it becomes 5 times the square root of 3. Now, another rule we have is we can have no fractions in the radicand. So right here, that's not okay. That's not good. We got to do something different with that. And we're going to split this up by going, well, I'm going to pull out that square root of 3, put it on top, put square root of 25, put it on the bottom. And this one simplifies nicely to square root of 3 over a positive 5. This is okay because there's no radicand in the, or radical in the bottom, or in the denominator. So this is all good. Now, the next one, the rule we have to worry about is we can't have any radicals in the denominator. That's the bottom of the fraction. So here we go. If you look at this one, this has a 3, a square root of 3 right down there. That's no good. Can't have that. So our rule here is this, and this pretty much always works like this. Square this by itself. So we're going to stick another one right there. But if we do that, we got to put one here so that we're multiplying it by 1. When you multiply by 1, it doesn't change the value. So square root of 3 times square root of 3, that is just 3. And then 1 times the square root of 3 is square root of 3. This answer right here, A-okay, because it doesn't have a radical in the denominator. And then finally, let's try some of the checkpoints. As we've done before, I'd like you to choose in 1, 2, 3, choose 2 of these that you can try, but I'd really like you to try either 1 and 3 or 2 and 3 because those are different. So go ahead and pause the video and then I'll show the answers for 1, 2, 3, but try just 2 of these. And here are the answers for 1, 2, and 3. For number 1, we have 2 times square root of 3. For 2, it's 6 times square root of 3, and number 3 is going to be square root of 13 over 6. And those all satisfy the rules where we don't have fractions in the radicand, we don't have denominators that have square root symbols. So we're all good on these 3. Now move it down to 4, 5, and 6. And with these, go ahead and try a couple of these. When you get done, unpause the video and go ahead and pause the video right now. And here are the answers for 4, 5, and 6. 4 is going to be square root of 5 over 4. Number 5 is 2 times the square root of 10 over 25. And then 6 actually comes out to 3/4 with no square root symbol. So you're okay on that one if you didn't have a square root symbol. If you have any questions on these, make sure that you ask.